I wanted to give you a little tip about using advanced analytics exports when you're looking at the detail. Um, so quick overview, the behavior that a lot of people have trouble with in advanced analytics is when you click the details of a record. For example, let's look at these 6 subscriptions. By clicking on them, you can see all of the details here, and you're actually able to export that record to Excel. Now, some people have issues when they get into Excel because it's not delimited, meaning it's all in one column. If you look at column A, all of the text is in here, but if you go to column B, there's nothing in here, right? So the question is, how do we break it up? And there's actually 2 simple ways to do it. The first is you can go to data, and then you can actually do text to columns right here at the top, and you can delimit. If you click next, you can then delimit based on the semicolon because that's what's in between each value here. I'm going to deselect tab. Okay, and then you can just hit next. And I think we are good to go. So let's hit finish. Okay, so that's how you can do it. It only did it for the top row here. I believe we would need to do it for all of the data. So let me do that again. Let me control A and then do text to columns. Sorry, I'm going to do the whole column A and then do text to columns. Delimit, next, semicolon, finish. Okay. And you can see it broke it out, right? So now it all worked. It's all good to go.